Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease web page text size for your Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And on the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. In here, you want to go down and tap on the menu key at the bottom. Next, tap on text size. And from the pop-up, drag the text size slider bar to the left to decrease the text size, or you can drag it to the right hand side to increase the text size. Now after that, tap on the OK button to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now another way to change it is to go into the settings and then go down and tap on appearance and tap on web page text size, and in here you can also change the size of the text. And thank you.